you eat more N. Okay, so you go to username Hafizi123 and the password Hafizi20. Then you click login. Okay, on this part, so first of all, you need to select this on the left side, which is we have a project. So you add a new project. Okay, so like this, like example on map. So we have map project. So then we have the location, the project ID. We need to select for this we select a room temperature. Then we need to add new. Then a gateway. Same also room temperature. After that, temperature and the chair. And then we have create the gateway name Arduino. Then we create a nodes or sensor ID, sensor nodes for our project. So this is the DHT11. Okay, then we go to the sensor data on the right side, upside and on the right. So we click on the sensor data. Okay, if you can see, we have a create just now. This is my project. I have 6 projects. So if I click a room temperature, station ID, under chair, gateway ID, Arduino ID, data plus. Or maybe you want to click on map. This is my project. And give an example on my masters. Okay, so my room, temperature, sensor, like temperature sensor. Maybe on your home that you have a temperature, gateway ID and temperature. This is I'm wrong by naming it. Maybe this is my room on on a computer. I want to check my computer what's data. Maybe a temperature, light intensity, humidity. So if I click on the temperature sensor, then I click on latest data. Example, I click on 50 latest data. Click OK. And it will show you the latest 50 data. Or maybe your maybe your phone apps is currently running, or maybe your Arduino is currently running. You can click the live data. What is live data is do? It will update every, I think it's update every 3 seconds. So every 3 seconds, if your phone's app or your data apps is running, then the apps is going be to have a data. I think this update on data. So it's changed just now. Yeah, I'm start the live data because the live data, it needs to have some more what we call memory to process it. Okay, now I will show you how we want to create a project dashboard. Okay, so the project dashboard first, after we need to select a project. The example, I want to select a Hafizi master project, and we click and OK. Yeah. Okay, so this is a sample data that I've make it, sample dashboard. Okay, so we are going to make a sample dashboard like this, or maybe you all want to make another powerful dashboard, you can create it. So how we want to create this dashboard? First of all, you need to go to the setting button on very right side, right and upside of your Windows. And click right side and go to the project dashboard setting. Okay, so it will display like this. So if you can see on the right part, we have it has shown the step by step on how we want to run it. Okay, first of all, this one I delete it first, delete the widget. Okay, So if I delete the widget, there is nothing on our dashboard right now. Yes, I'm safe. First of all, if you can see, the first one is we need choose a widget. We choose a widget first. Okay. So maybe you want, first of all, you want to have a name on on dashboard. So we click a text label, or maybe text input. So I click a text label. Okay. Click on text label, then press a select widget. So right now we have insert a text label widget. Okay, we need to click on this text label. Make sure it on a blue color. If not, there is something error. Or you must see on here, currently viewing, this show the text label. Okay, so first of all, parents panel name is not, we're not having yet. Yeah, I will show you after this how we want to use a parent panel names or top coordinate or left coordinates. Okay, so widget width, maybe we can put a 3,000, 1,000. Okay, so this is text color, background color, text. Okay, what text we want to show on the label? So maybe we want to show my room temperature. Maybe we want to do my room data. Okay, text alignment. I put a center text alignment. Text bold, true, okay. Text size, maybe I put on 30. Okay, text font name, text font. So I take a commit send. Then we click OK. Okay, after that, after we add to widget, fill the details, and then we save all. We need to save everything we have done on here. If we don't save it, then our data maybe be lost. Then we'll click a run button. Run button. After then it will display this again, but don't worry. You click on the setting and you click on the refresh project dashboard here. So it will display this, my room data. So it very big. So we need to small this. We need to small it first. Okay. So what we do again? We go to the project dashboard setting. So maybe the widget height is too big. So we put on 200 maybe. Okay, widget width I put on 2,500. Okay, we click save all, we run again, and we click refresh project dashboard. So as you can see here, the text label is center on top of the our page. Okay, until this part, is anyone has any question? Semua okay ke? Okay. Okay, so okay, so I will go to the next part. Okay, so maybe you want, okay, again, go to the project dashboard setting. Okay, then we want to add, this one is the tricky one, which is we need to add the container. What means by container is, we want to add, we create some space, some box, then we want to insert everything on the box, everything on the container. What it means, okay, first we select the widget. After we select the widget, then we go to the container panel, click the container panel, make sure it blue colors. If you click the text label, so you can see on the left side, it will show what we are clicking it, whether the text label or container panel. Okay, then we need to panel name. Okay, what panel name you want? So maybe we want my house. Maybe one word only. house. Okay, container name is house. Self title you can put temperature. Okay, then self width maybe you can put 2000. Self height 2000 also. Okay, title text color. This one you choose. Make sure you click the three dot button because it has a. You can play with the colors. So I click OK. Background colors. Clicking white. Panel background color. Also white color. Or maybe panel. Panel background color. Maybe I want to set it less grid. Okay. So border color we select purple. Okay. So I'm not a very UI designer, so you can click whatever. Okay, so this container border through. Okay, center. Okay, then make sure you click save all. Then you click run button. And again, refresh project dashboard. See, now you have our container in here. Okay, what is container is will we do? We want to add more thing on this container, so everything in this container cannot be moved. Why I say cannot be moved? Because if I small it, then it will change the size. This is the problem with the if you don't put it on the container. If you put on container, it can scalable into the size we want. So we go to again the project dashboard setting. So we want to put, maybe we want to put a single line chart, or maybe you want to put a image viewer, or maybe you want to put animation map viewer. Okay, we put a single line chart. Select a widget again. Click until it going to be a blue color. So this one, parent panel's name. This one is your container panel. What is our container panel name? Just one we click. So for this, we choose house for our panel's name. So we can put here house. Maybe you name it on other names. You can put other name also. So this is coordinate where you want to put the single line chart just now into the container panels. Okay, so on the top coordinates, we maybe we want to put on 100. Top 100, left coordinate maybe 200. This is example. So with here we can put 1000, 500, 100 something, 500, 500. Okay, chart color. Ni. Alright, color chart. Background color green. Title visibility. Okay, so we want to title visibility true. Okay. Okay, this title. So let's say we have a temperature just now. You can put a temperature. This one you can play with it. You want to put a title temperature. Then we come with the sensor ID. Okay, this sensor ID, because we select a project just now, so you can put what you can choose anything the sensor ID you have. Currently, we have data on temperature sensor. So I click OK. Okay, so we have temperature sensor ID, sensor name. Okay, sensor name is okay. Okay, data source type. by date range or by latest data. So if we click by latest data, click OK, then the begin and the end of circle, we can cancel it. So limit to latest data, example, we have 20 data. Then accessibility visibles, true, okay. And we click save all again. And after we click the save all, we click a run button. Then again, refresh your project dashboard. Okay, so this is your data. This is my data that is displayed now on the container, inside the container, the single line chart inside the container. As you can see here, we have moved it on the spacing. We have spacing because we set the coordinate just now, top and left. So that's why it display on this part. Maybe if you want to display on the center of the page, you can change it on here, at here. So maybe you can put 500 top coordinate, and this is 500. So save all. Let's see what happened. Then it show here it moved to another bottom of the windows. Okay, so maybe we want to put an image. Okay, choose widgets. We want put image viewer. Okay, select widget, put an image viewer. Image. Okay, so you want, if you don't put parent panel name, like example, I don't put parent panel names, so it don't have in container. So widget with 500, okay. Widget background, a bit pink color. Then image ID, currently I have two image. If I choose a peta, then I'm okay. So if I save all, then I'm run, refresh project dashboard. So what is show here? Oh my god. Okay. In, okay. I must put in on container house. 20 pulau. Okay, so it display on this on inside on container also. Okay, some of you may be asking how I can display a image. Okay, so what I'm doing is again you go to the sensor data on the right upside of your windows, then you click on the image. Okay, then you click on new image maybe. So you can add your title, description, and so on. Then you upload your image. Or maybe you have this. It also have the image. This is some image that have in the data right now. So you can choose this image. Okay. So on this part is there any question all of you, any of you want to ask? You, is it all of you can get it? Oh, I'm too fast.
I, Hafizi,
Hello? Yeah.
how, if I want to create a, temperature monitoring device using Arduino, how expensive is it?
Again. Can you repeat the question?
If I want to create a temperature sensing equipment using Arduino,
Okay.
how do I get it in here in Malaysia? And is it expensive? Just a simple one.
Oh, okay. It's not actually not expensive. It's not expensive. You can have you are you still suitable with the Arduino?
No, I have no any experience in Arduino.
Okay. If you are using an Arduino is I think actually is cheap one I think on market because by using an Arduino you can program it and you have some
Mhm.
sensor then you can control you can upload you can make a program I think on the Google it have many you can search Arduino sensor temperature
How
so
how easy is it?
I think very easy.
Even for old people like me.
uh, yes because if you are following the steps then you can you can I think you can send data into the sensor.
And how much percent if I want to get one?
I'm not sure wait
Oh, you can get it from Shopee.
yeah if you are using Shopee also you can have I think also one. So maybe Arduino also it have a temperature sensor. Okay. By using the Arduino, the board one this and you have a temperature sensor, anything temperature sensor. This one
Uh,
and of this, so you can send the by reading this data, you can send to the ThingsSentral itself.
and how do we connect that stuff to ThingsSentral? Like
Okay, by connecting it, I think this is need another lecture
another
session
lesson, eh? Okay, okay, never mind.
because we need to have some line of code.
Okay, okay, understand.
Okay, so before I forget it, okay, I need to refresh. Hmm, check. Okay, so go to project dashboard setting. Okay, so I forget about this. Maybe you one of you maybe want to make a text input. Okay. Wait, I'm sure how he want. You have, if you go into the processor, you can select the project. Okay, so maybe we want to see the battery management system dashboard. So as you can see here, it display the what is currently voltage, the current, and the temperature of the battery. So this is one of the example from the processor. So I hope by you select the processor, you don't change the project dashboard setting. You click to see the idea how other people's are using the ThingsSentral by make a dashboard itself. Mukul gegaran. Okay, right now I think that's all for me because I think I have covered all of the project of our lectures today. Is there any question from all of you? Any one of you, if you have any question?
Mr. Hafizi,
Yeah.
is there any like written instruction how to use this thing
Yeah.
central or like a
Yeah.
slides or anything so they can
Sure.
we can
Because this one is the update version of the previous slide.
okay.
Okay, so this one is very new. I mean, the
Oh,
interface is
okay.
very so the you can follow the old slide, but I'm afraid that you miss clicking another part.
Okay, okay.
So maybe I trying to figure out from Dr. Hanif.
Mhm.
Uh, so far anything all of you are good ke ada tak dapat ke? Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Betul. Yeah. Betul betul. Actually it is using the same thing. If you register on 443, then you want to open on 500, yes you can. It actually it use the same server. Then only the difference is the port because we limit the user in it. Best okay. I think not the problem is not the browser because we are using what we call the chip server. So the running the running timing also is little bit slow. So maybe after this, if we have some money, then we can upgrade into the more powerful server. Uh, macam slow sikit kan? Ke slow sangat. Wah tu. Hey, okay ke dapat ke? Okay okay. Actually we can use many sensors on our phone just now. ThingsSentral apps. You can use many sensors at one time. Then we can send data. Okay. Okay. Before I forget, actually we have other what we call other function of the ThingsSentral app. See, okay, if you go to this ThingsSentral app, okay, so you can see the sound level measurement here. So before you want to play with this function, you need to go to the setting first. Go to the setting
Dam.
and click on the sound here. Make sure the sound is clicked. Sound is clicked and you click save. Then go back to the sound level measurement. Okay. So if you click the start button, I think because I'm using the Google Meet on phone, maybe it cannot be. If you can see, oh my god, if you can try on your phone, you can see the data is kejap dah. So maybe you want to use some research on this by seeing the sound, the best, the most quiet sound in your house, in your house. Or maybe you want to see the current, what is the sound in your car, the best places to study in your house, something like that. The sound, you mean the sound level measurement? No, actually the sound level measurement is by using your microphone itself, your phone microphone. So if your phone has a microphone, the sound level measurement can be detected. Okay, is there any question from anyone yet? Okay, I think, okay, let's go insyaAllah last ni. Okay, so maybe if you want to see this slide, okay, this is one of the slide. Okay, so currently this is the old slide. So the color is not uh, not setting yet. Okay, so but still the function is same. So you can follow this step on how we want to setting it. But I think maybe it has a new version of this slide PowerPoints. Is there anyone who need this slide?
I think all of us need the slide.
Boleh lah. At least.
We need
Untuk reference.
slide.
Because okay, sure. Okay, I think that's all from me. If any question, maybe you can contact Dr. Hanif. Okay, because that's all from me. One more. Is there any question? Yeah, if don't have, we can. Everyone can leave from today lectures. Okay, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Thank you
wabarakatuh.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih.
Sama.